In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Rec Room on Android in 2022. This process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first step is you want to locate the Google Play Store within your phone. So there it is for me. I'll tap on the Google Play Store. Then you want to tap here where it says Games, because Rec Room is a game. And if you tap on that, it'll just make it easier to search for it. So tap at the top in the search bar, and then tap Rec Room, then hit search. That will show you the Rec Room app at the top. If you tap on it, you have two options, uninstall, and for me it says enable because I already have it partially installed on my phone. But all you would need to do is tap on the install button. It will download the Rec Room game for you. Now it does take a moment to download because it's a fairly large file, so you might want to make sure that you're on a Wi-Fi network and not your mobile data, so you don't waste all your data. But then you'll just tap on the install button, and then that button that says enable right there will say play, and then you can play it or just find the app from within your home page. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.